Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a quick review on Vivahr. Now Vivahr can also be, when you type that in, you're going to find Vivahr. I don't know why that is, but that's what you find. But it's still what you're looking for, which is a high-end software for growing businesses. Now Vivahr HR makes it simple to publish your jobs to about 50 plus job boards with one click. You can save time with 5-star technology to automate and nurture your candidates to become great employees. So everything to help your business grow with hiring automation, you get it here. Like job syncing, hiring dashboards, team collaboration with email and SMS. You can recruit and engage with the right candidates wherever they are. Automate and optimize your hiring process. Turn good candidates into new employees. Make better decisions based on data. So it is the number one hiring software for SMBs. So many great things you can get for it. That's what people have to say. Their testimonies. So you are ready to transform your hiring process. You can start a 7-day free trial to boost jobs, other candidates, and manage hiring all in one platform. So what are you waiting for when it comes to their features? We have analytics, automated actions, culture profile, custom user roles, email and text, hiring pipelines, offer letters, questionnaires, referral, social job sharing, sourcing, team collaboration. Used for all industries like dental health, havoc, landscaping, painting, pest control, plumbing, retail, and tech. So, you are what you belong to, start your free trial.